We're back for day 2 of the 30-day challenge where I'm using ChatGPT to coach me through making 10K in 30 days just from my Twitter and my LinkedIn. So I'm tracking everything, building it all in public, and let's go through it. So I'm tracking in this sheet, which will be in the description, the post to my LinkedIn post, the post to my Twitter post, how many impressions each of those get, how my following count changes. Obviously, other things are happening too, but this is a good piece of it. And then I'll track things like what I promoted, what the link to the promotion was, what the offer was, and then any sales. So day 1, we had some really solid impressions. So 66,000 impressions on LinkedIn, 45,000 impressions on Twitter. So we had over 100,000 impressions. And I kind of update ChatGPT on what's going on. So I hit them with, I'm back for day 2. Are you ready? We had over this many impressions. However, we had 0 sales. What is the plan for today? And then they gave me the plan, right? So the plan is to make a case study post. And using kind of this format, I did exactly that. So I made a post on social media using this copy. And then it gave some other pieces of advice as well. So the posts themselves, you can find, again, in the link in the description, but you'll see that here. And I'll be tracking every day what this looks like. Today probably is going to be a little bit of a down day in terms of impressions. We're only at 8,400 so far, so the post is not picking up as much traction. But here was the content, right? So I used Sophia, which is a real case study, a real person that's taking my course. I have a video testimonial from her. So this is the challenge. We've made $0 so far. We've had 6-figure impressions, and we'll be back tomorrow to see what happens. Drop a like, follow along, and I'll keep sharing as this goes on more and more on what's working and what isn't working. All right, guys, catch you guys tomorrow.